My heartbeat is 180, and I am freaking out. Dude, perfect.
We're doing perfect. Welcome to Dirt Bike Battle. Here we go, boys! The first round will be one lap around the Chaos Course. Watch out for Banana Corner, the giant Zord balls, then make your way through the Noodle Caverns to the finish line. The last person to cross the finish line will be eliminated.
What's up, guys? Core coming at you. You're gonna want to keep your eye on the red. Hopefully good things are gonna happen.
I'm feeling pretty good about the race. Today should be a good day.
No, I'm not a professional dirt bike racer.
Time for another podium finish. I don't guarantee first, remember that.
I have no idea what I'm doing. The bike's pretty small for a tall guy, but let's have some fun.
It's Dirt Bike Day. Course looks epic. Competitions are epicer. And it's time to be the epic day.
Boys gonna learn, so let's sleep and dogs lie. I am ready for war. No
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that was slippery. Gare, what was that?
My bad, bro.
Heart of a lion, stripes of a cyclist for divas. Crying like a soldier, 100 men strong. Then why is it that I'm still
Uh-oh, door time.
not dead, we're never out. I hit the
Hey, boy, get back here, boy! You'll never catch me, coach!
invincible. Yeah, you gon' have to be. If we breathe out, we feel
Nice shot.
Just for tonight and first name after me. Gotta take beats inside out to let it out.
Oh, what does that sound?
I am aiming at your feet, just wanna wound them. I ain't
Oh,
tryna
that came
kill
out of
6
nowhere.
Yeah, I'm a sick animal. I need a
See you at the finish line,
team
boy.
from New York, not the Mets.
Dang, I'm never gonna catch up.
Vegas taking Vegas. Gangsters don't break the rest. Unstoppable. I can't be stopped. I smashed through roadblocks. The fuzz will tell you I'm Houdini.
Go, go.
Yep. I keep a bad little bag. Next to my chain, she's my.
Man, I knocked Corey straight off. It wiped him out, and I looked at him, I go, sorry, bro. These battles, it's not about winning. It's about not losing.
My chain broke.
Hey, 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 goodbye.
I just want to make sure, in case there's any confusion, that's Corey back there.
Yeah, I'm moving on, baby.
No doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to round 2, the Skinny Bridge of Doom. The bridge itself gets incrementally smaller, and the top 3 people with the furthest distance move on to the finale. Here we go, boys! It really sinks in when you drive your bike up here and look at that 3-inch board at the very end.
My heartbeat is 180, and I am freaking out.
You go all the way across right here, Team Kobe for life.
Dude, why don't you give me one of those opportunities that are doable, you know?
What are you scared of? It's water.
I don't know, man. I don't know why I'm scared. It just seems scary, man. There could be snakes in there.
What's with the bulletproof ballistic vest?
No, it's just a life jacket in case, you know, I fall and I'm unconscious or knee blows out, I'll float to the top.
Do you want it or not? Is it a big honor?
Yeah! It is a big honor.
Okay!
We're going across!
Let's go! Here comes Tyler, the yellow bandit. All right, everybody, he's in the lead. He's in the lead. He's going. He's got it. I'll take it! How far did I go?
Ty threw down a gnarly round. Luckily, I don't have to beat it. Just have to be in the top 3.
Purple Hoser time. The inner flow. Nice. Where's my bike? Team 12. All you gotta do is go all the way across. Oh, what is he doing? He's going legs up. Oh. 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 Yeah. Dude, I almost had it! I almost had it! All right, folks, here's what we know. Myself and Kobe are in the finale. It sounds weird to say it. Gare's on the chopping block.
Yeah, I've been trying to say that.
And Cody needs to get to the 9-inch board. Halfway across and Cody's in. I don't know if he made it! I don't! What are the officials? The officials say no! He didn't make it! Jared Elber, welcome to the finale!
Hey.
Finale! Wow! Headed to round 3. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye.
It's finale time. I'm on the podium.
This is a win-win for me.
Fun fact, this finale might look a little similar to the dart battle finale. Same 3 people, hoping for a different outcome this time though. Garrett took that one pretty handily, looking to make a statement.
I'm in the finale. I'm where I need to be. It's time to take it all the way. Good luck, Ty.
Thank you. What about me?
Whatever.
In the finale, each rider will make their way to a paintball gun and shoot 2 skeet. They will then navigate through the course and finish with a 50-foot bow and arrow balloon pop.
Heart of a lion, stripes of a zebra. Built like steel, slight weakness for divas. Crying like a soldier, 100-man strong. And why is it that I'm still being You're never gonna catch me! I hit the canvas, but I never seen more than an 8 count. Invincible, yeah, you gon' have to be. I don't even breathe, I was built in a factory. Thus it is written, I am first, none after me. Got a cage beats inside, about to let it out, be. These are warning shots, I am aiming at your feet. Just what if I pop ties? Something you love, not something you feel. In my eyes, you boys
Man, that feels good! Oh, little payback to Garrett for the giant dart battle.
That was a close battle.
That was very close. Let's head to the trophy presentation.
Ty, it's not my honor, but certainly my duty to present you the golden dirt bike.
Oh, a beauty it is.
Don't get too excited. It's the one we sunk in the lake.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, click down here so you don't miss out on any new videos. Special thanks to the movie Axel for making this video possible. If you guys want to check out Axel for yourself, click right here. If you want to see the last video, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it, noggin, see ya!